So what we're doing today is we are calibrating the grain drill. So I'm trying to do is plant 30 to 35 pounds per acre of Sorghum Sudan, and we chose the Sweet 6 BMR variety. It's a fast growth, it's a dry stock, it's got BMR in it. So for us, we're doing hay. If I was doing silage or something, I'd choose a different variety, of course, probably. I'd do a juicy sweet version instead of a dry stock. But we're doing hay. So what I did here is I had this little cloth bag here that came with this. I bought this online, and it's a seed meter. And what it does is you measure your tire over here, your width of travel of your tire, and then you measure your spacing. So we got 7-inch spacing on the drops here, and you just do the math, right? So I think it was 200. It's on 7-inch space, and it says 249 feet is what you need to calculate for to figure out your pounds per acre. Well, that equals on the tires here. I think I had 116 inches on the tires all the way around. So I broke everything down to inches, divided the inches for the travel distance by the inches of the tire travel, and that gave me 25.75 revolutions of the tire. And so to make it more accurate, is what I did is I just doubled it, and then I divide this in half. So I'm sitting at 65 pounds per acre according to this, but I doubled the travel distance. So I need to divide this by 2, so that gives me the 32 and a half pounds, which is really, really good. That's really good. I already did the other side. This grain drill is split into 2. So this side drives this half, that drive tire drives the other half. So that's where we are. So we got it calibrated. It was way off from where it was set when I picked it up, and I think somebody had been monkeying around with the bars up front. So also let me show you the seed, by the way. Let's go ahead and get it out. So this is our Sorghum Sudan. It's the same size as a milo seed, so that's what I went off on the chart was the milo. Got me really, really close. So we're gonna go with that. We're pretty set now. We're about to plant. So that's what we're gonna do today's plant. So I tested this side over there. You can see in there. We use this chart up here. And let me see if I can get this repositioned. So we use the chart up here, but instead of going with Sudan, see Sudan, where is that? Right there, Sudan grass would have had, well, it's pretty close to that actually. It's about that 6 to 7, whereas Milo was wanting me to do about 4 to get close to that. So I'm actually closer to Sudan. So I think I started off on the Milo setting of 4, and I had to bump up. And so I'm sitting right about here, 6. Yeah, I mean, it's really accurate actually. Come and look at it. Let me go over here and show you. Let me set this down. So looking over here, I mean, we're sitting here at 6. So very accurate. So we're sitting at 6 on this. Here's where you set it at. Same thing on that side. It's set at 6 also. So this thing is very accurate, by the way. This is a grain drill we got at the Purple Wave auction. This is where we got this off of and got the other one. I've been moving these drag chains over. I got to do some more repairs if I can move any more because I got some of these. See, I've been moving these over. So I need to pull one up here. So I've been moving these over. Can't really see what I'm doing here. And but I can't move one over here because that's broke right there. I got a couple more in here. I know I got a couple I just need to cut off. I'll probably do here in a minute. But I got 3 or 4 that are broke. I'm not gonna worry about that today because I'm gonna actually roll this field also when I get done planting. So that'll take care of most of this. And I got, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these that are over here that are good, that still have the drags on them. In fact, they got extended drags on some of these, and just unbolt them and put them over there later. I'm gonna do that later. I'm not worried about that today. But we're ready. Just gotta remove my jack, finish hooking up the tractor, fill up seed, and by golly, we're good to go. So anyway, exciting times. Exciting times. We're about to plant. Okay, we got the drill loaded. Let me point it over here where you can see. So we got it on. We're ready to go. We got 6 bags of seed in there right now. We're going to run that here in this front. See how we do. I got the other GoPro right here. It's already on and recording. So we're gonna start right when you start to turn this corner. We head that way. Now that bottom's gonna be a little bit muddy, so I might stay out of it. I don't know yet, because that could clog up everything and make a mess. So I might do this top part, run back and forth this way for a little bit, leave that bottom alone. I think I'm gonna do the bottoms last. That way, if it messes up, it doesn't mess up my whole day. Now we're thinking, yeah. So we're gonna get busy here. We're gonna hear the clanking and clanking. I'm ready. Everything's ready. Let's see. Let's make sure we're ready. I haven't planted with this seeder before. Actually, the last time I planted anything was as a broadcaster. So this is new for us. So if it's new for you, we're in the same boat. Anyway, let's get this corner going. We're going to engage it. We're in. We're going to pick up our speed a little bit. Check my mirror, make sure we're good. We're getting penetration into the soil. Like I said, the bottom's going to be muddy, so I'm going to avoid it. What we'll do is we will turn this way. And we'll go right on this ledge here. Let me check how muddy it is back there. We're doing okay right there, so we'll run this. I think I'm all the way down. Yeah, I'm down all the way, so our planting has started, so finally. Now it gets muddy right here as I forgot it cuts down low right here. And I can definitely see that. So that'll give us a good indicator of what's going to happen in that bottom right there. We're getting some buildup on there, so I got to be careful with that. Woo! Turn, turn, baby, turn. We'll get around to where we started at. We'll check to see where we are. Make sure we're getting good drop rate. That's They got some stumps out here, so I got to be careful with that too, with those drag chains back there. That's why I almost didn't put them on. I really thought about it, and I said, let's put it on. Hopefully we don't break nothing. I really wasn't going to plan on getting that close to that fence, but I just did. Once we get on the other side, I think I'll get the drone out, or we'll get the drone out. Well, sometime today we'll have the drone out for sure. Up for the electrical pole. Figure out where I'm at on this real quick. Yeah, I'm overlapping right now, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go back there and look and see what's going on with the seed out here. Make sure we're getting seed in. Yeah, I got to get a little bit further over here. That's my marking tire right there. I need to be, well, actually I'm pretty close. So I want to have that tire like right on this side of it, I think. But let's look here, see if we can see any seeds in here. Yeah, see, there's one there, there's one there. Okay. Look over here, I see them here. I see seeds up there. So yeah, we're definitely gonna roll it. I see seeds, I see seeds, I see seeds, seeds. It's good. Just looking back here. Make sure we're getting good seed. Yeah, we're getting seeds in here. So we're gonna definitely roll it to get that pushed down. A couple of those are not getting in that far. See, there's another stump right there. Look at that. Get that out of here for now. But I see seeds, so I think we're good. I said we'll get it on, and then we'll roll it. I'm seeing seeds over here. Right there. Right there. That one's getting a little bit deeper, it looks like. Some of these are going deeper, but I see it down there. Okay. Let's look at the seed box real quick. Make sure now we're not putting out 600 pounds right now. That would not be good. Looks good so far. This amount should finish this front. Should do this front and have some left, so. That's the goal. And you see that marking tire right there? I need to be just on this side of it. I need to be right here, right there, with the other one. So, let's go. So far, so good. This ain't worked, and it'd be the best money I've spent in a long time. It's working. So We just got to do our part and keep it going the right way.